Welcome to unboxing a package that I ordered of various fidgets today. And I'm trying to not dox myself on accident, so let's just try it for that one. Alright. We have two of these sea urchin suction cup balls, which I will open in another video. I just dropped everything. All that for me. A molecular squish ball. Sorry guys, never took science in high school. I think it's showing. I also got this ooze dribbler. Oh, that's satisfying. Two sugar balls, and the item, the piece of low resistance. We have these new Neato gumdrops, which if you start collecting the Neato collection, you have to finish it. So yeah, I'll follow for more, and I will open these items for you.